Morning. Hello. This workshop is called Sexual Communication, the Playful Art of Talking About Sex. From my point of view, if you can't talk about it, you probably shouldn't be doing it. Now, this workshop will be experiential. You will discover why sexual communication is so damn difficult, how to start the process with new people or in your current relationship, how to overcome road bumps, and why professionals are as useless as the rest of us. Will be interactive and playful and fun and absurd. Laughter is guaranteed. You will also be introduced to specific models to help with the communication to make sense of people's strengths and weaknesses in this area. It'll explore cultural elements that hold us back and are suitable for novices as well as erotic professionals.